Just one more quick video because a couple of people have asked tonight how to get your medical records. So you need to go to where your medical records are kept. Dentist, optician, GP, neurosurgeon, oncologist. You need to go to that department for what you want. So if I want my GP records, I'll go to my GP. If I want my oncology records, I go to my oncologist. If I want my Addenbrooke's scans, I go to Addenbrooke's. So how we got my medical records was we went to Addenbrooke's. So my surgeon, we go to his secretary. All you've got to do is just ring up or email, say I would like a copy of my scans, the radiographer report, and your medical notes. That's all you need. And they have to legally send them to you, and they're free. And it's where you get the scans done, you have to get them from. So my scans from Addenbrooke's, I have to get from there. My scans, when I was passed over to the Norfolk and Norwich, I have to get them from them. And then because I was rescanned at Addenbrooke's and then they passed me over to the Norfolk and Norwich, I've gone through PALS to get my scans from Addenbrooke's I don't have. And PALS are sorting them out for me. So try your secretary of your consultant, your neurosurgeon first. And then because it's all mixed as well, my oncologist cannot see Addenbrooke's stuff. They cannot see the GP stuff. They cannot see what the GPs just prescribed me for sickness. The oncology had to give me their own sickness. And there was a lot of crossovers, but that is also because I've left my GP and moved, and also because I left Addenbrooke's and moved to Norfolk and Norwich. And then my haters are like, oh, you don't have medical records because you don't exist. And I'm like, okay. Or I think it was, you don't have medical records because you don't have cancer. I'm like, well, my pictures, my scans on Facebook, as is my radiographer report and my radiotherapy letters, but okay. I don't exist medically, yeah. I was never born. Gosh, but that's another story. So that is how to get your medical records. I like to throw some banter in occasionally. And it's handy to have your NHS number and your hospital number as well, because these are different. And different departments want different numbers. Try and memorise them if you can. I actually keep them on the fridge. So the acute oncology service, I've given you a little card, and it says about what you need to go to oncology, like wheezing, shortness of breath, like rash, sweats, anything like that, nausea. It says ring the AOS team, the acute oncology service. I've written my hospital number and my NHS number and labelled them both clearly. So my mum, if she needs to ring an ambulance for me at any time, can say, this is her NHS number, boom, there's all your records once they've got them in place. So, and I actually, the bracelets that they give you in hospital, it has your name, your date of birth, your hospital number, and your NHS number on it. Next time you're in, or if you save them, cut it off either side of the writing and slip that in your purse or wallet. Because what that's going to do is, as soon as they open your purse for your driving licence or your identification, a lot of cancer patients don't have a driving licence. If you've had radiotherapy on your brain or brain tumour, you might not have a driving licence. I lost mine for 6 months initially because they treated it as benign for not having chemo and radio. If not, it was a 3-year ban. But because I didn't have chemo and radio, I refused it. They treat it as a benign tumour, which is very, very interesting. And I'm going to teach you a bit more about that in another video. So as soon as in an accident, they open your purse, NHS hospital number there. I've written on the back of mine my medical diagnosis as well. So unless you want to get one of those really, really sexy medical bracelets, just write it on a bit of paper, pop it in your wallet, and on your phone, I always put ICE mum or ICE dad, ICE whoever, ICE boyfriend's number, whatever, and their name, because often a paramedic will go on your phone as well, and the ICE stands for in case of emergency, just ICE, ICE in capitals. And that will alert a medical professional of who to ring in an emergency as well. So hopefully that's helped you, and we'll be doing some more. Bye.